Hi, I'm Carolyn Dragon, the owner, founder, and CEO, Chief Enjoyment Officer of 10 Women Strong.
I'm Catherine Morgan. I'm the founder of Point A to Point B Transitions. I'm a career transition expert and business consultant to consultants.
We're very excited to invite you to our new program called Resurface. Between us, I believe Catherine and I have 8, 9, 10 times we've been laid off from our jobs, careers. We've each started our own business. We've each found different types of employment at different times in our life. And so together, we're very excited to welcome you to this new workshop we're doing on March 6th.
It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to dive into possibility and what you want to create and where you are in your life currently, what's going well, what could be improved. And we're going to work on some of what my clients are currently calling head trash, because there's some amazingly unhelpful things swirling around in your head, kind of like on a spin cycle. And you may have been wanting a change or have been forced into a change due to a layoff or some kind of life situation. But what Ellen and I can tell you with absolute certainty is that it is completely possible to reinvent yourself, even when you think there is no possibility.
Exactly. Don't spend any more time wrapped up in your head, letting the thoughts swirl around or having people outside of you telling you what to do. It's time for you to just like pause and get some clarity and build up your confidence to choose your right next step that's right for you.
And it's going to be very individual. If you have young kids at home, it's going to be a different decision than an elder care issues or personal health issues. And I don't know about you, but I didn't get the manual for life that tells you how to navigate through this stuff. And it's super hard to do on your own, but when you have a group of amazing women sharing their stories and their best advice and their vision for you, it's kind of amazing what's possible. And that's why I'm so excited to be teaming with 10 Women Strong on this.
This is going to be a great opportunity. Hope to see you there.
Join us.